Welcome back to another episode of Bonsai Yama Review. Today, Bonsai Squad, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take a look at what Vdara has for their in-food service. So we're going to take a look and order some food here, and we'll get them to come up and deliver, and we're going to manja. Okay, everybody, we're going to take a look at the in-suite dining menu, and it's on the tablet, which is pretty cool. Something here that Vdara really takes pride in doing. So we're going to take a look at the appetizers and show you what they have to offer. The very first item they have is the chilled jumbo shrimp cocktail, and that's about $25. You have your cheese and meat plates, and the cheese alone for the 3 cheeses is $25. The gourmet meats are $30, and the combo between the meats and the cheese that you see on the picture is about $35. You have your chicken fingers, and those run about $15. And you have chicken wings that run about $18, and both the chicken wings and the chicken tenders fingers come with french fries. And also, we have the 3 cheese quesadilla that runs about $16. You have your nachos that are $12. Now, I called and I already ordered the nachos, and I found out that if you add steak, it's about another $10. So I went ahead and just got the steak nachos with a side order of french fries, and it's going to be yummy. I'm pretty excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoy as I eat a little bit. And yeah, thank you guys. So what's cool about this tablet is that we have the in-suite dining menu all here. And you know, from your breakfast, your appetizers, your main meals, you got the kids' meals, you have the desserts and the beverages. It also even tells you, if you press right here, the current wait time. And so if we ordered right now, the estimate current time would be about 35 minutes arriving. So that's pretty cool. What would be really neat, and I don't know if you could actually do this now. Oh, I think you can order. That is crazy. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to order maybe a dessert, because I already got my other stuff there. So what should we get? Let's get the so you can add this. Oh my goodness. We didn't even need to call them. That is pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that, so maybe I'll get some sorbet. Let's see. Choose back. Let's go here. Choose options. we have a mango sorbet and a raspberry. I think I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna add that to the order. Now let's take a look at the cart. There we go. And I'm gonna place the order. Select the required options before submitting. Okay. Set OK. Wow, that was nuts. So, order deliveries will be within the time quoted on the bottom of the tablet, and that is awesome. I did not know we could have done that. I would have done that at the beginning to show you guys, but whatever. That's cool. So this tablet is really neat. That is awesome. All right, guys, we will wait till our nachos with steak and French fries and our sorbet arrives. So cool, guys. Okay, everybody, the room service just dropped this off, and it is our nachos with steak and French fries, and they even included a glass of water, and I didn't even order the glass of water, which I really like, because I was gonna just have my bottle of water that I had here. Most hotels now don't offer just a regular glass of water. They say you have to get a bottle because that's how they are. But Vdara went up and I didn't even ask for it, so I'm really happy about that. And then in the freezer, and I'll show you this, I have my sorbet waiting for me afterwards. So it's pretty crazy. I can actually order the sorbet, put it in the freezer, and when I'm done with my meal here, I can eat the sorbet. Let's take a look at the fridge and the freezer. Okay, guys, just gonna open up the freezer, and you can see the sorbet is in there. This is pretty awesome. Really am impressed with Vdara and just the way that the customer service goes up and beyond. The lady who dropped off the sorbet asked me if I wanted to leave it out or if we wanted to put it in the freezer. I said, let's put it in the freezer. Let me finish my food first, and then we would enjoy these goodies. So pretty cool. Really liking that. Alright, guys, so here are the steak nachos, water, French fries. Really yummy. Really enjoying this, and look at, give us a little ketchup for the French fries, extra pico de gallo, and some sour cream for our nachos. Pretty cool. The nachos I'm really digging. I'm really liking them. Love the taste of the steak, and French fries are really crispy. Not too done, but really good. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, everybody, struggling a little bit. I did manage to eat all the steak. Did not realize how big those nachos were going to be until I actually got them. They are probably shareable appetizers that you should share with people. So I'm going to recommend that if you do get this, make sure you have somebody here to share it with. Otherwise, it's just too much food. The French fries are really yummy. I like the taste of them. Really like the nachos, but it's just a lot of food, and I still have the sorbet to dig into. So I'm gonna pace myself, and I will get some of the sorbet, and I'll show you that as well. Okay, we're gonna go get the sorbet, get it out of the freezer, bring it to the table. sorbet here, and really yummy. Looks really yummy. And they even give you these little cone things, which on the picture it didn't look like they were going to give you. We have our mango sorbet and some fruits, so let's dig in. No way. That mango sorbet is off the charts. I'm telling you, it is delicious. That is really yummy. It tastes just like they had a fresh mango and just froze it up. It's really delicious. I'm gonna try it with the little cookie cone. You know, it won't fill you up too much, make you feel that much fuller after that huge meal. So it's really fresh on the palate. Awesome, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, everybody. I just finished my sorbet, and it was really good and delicious, and that's what it looks like now. So, otherwise, it was really good. No complaints here. Highly recommend it to everybody. If you stay at Vdara, make sure you get sorbet dessert. And yeah. Anyways, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Bonsai Yama Review. Please leave a thumbs up. Tell your friends and family about the video. Share it. Become part of the Bonsai Squad. And we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.